Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about the websites that I buy my K-beauty fixes from. So let me take you right in. Let me take you, no, running. அவ அப்படிலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பண்ணுவா இதெல்லாம் நீ ப்ளூப்பரில் தூக்கி போடுவேன். I actually got to know about a lot of these websites from the bloggers that I followed and some out of my own Googling. Okay, so one of the websites that I've actually bought from is Tester Korea, which is www.testerkorea.com. I'm going to be linking it down below. You will find samples to purchase as well from them. The only downside of buying from any of these websites is that you are going to be paying a hefty customs fee. So some days you can actually, it depends, I guess, if you're buying it for the first time, they might let you go, but there have been times that people have paid a lot more customs fee than what the product actually costs. So you'll have to keep that in mind, and in which case it makes sense to buy a significant amount of products in one go and let it last for a while rather than just buy one product and then two products and pay for shipping, which makes no sense, right? Another website that I have bought from is koreadepart.com, and these people also ship to India. Sometimes they have these great sales, and I have bought from them too. A recent website that has come into being is Beauty Tap. Actually, they were called w2beauty.com before, and now they are called Beauty Tap, and they usually have these daily sales. So you will find these really beautiful Sulvasu overnight masks, which will be at a brilliant markdown that you can actually buy, in which case they will have a cap on how many products each person can buy. So keep that in mind. They ship internationally as well, and you will be liable to pay customs fees. The fourth website that I have bought from, which has also shipped to India, is beautylish.com. The advantage with shopping from Beautylish, of course, you can't get Korean skincare and beauty products here. You'll get a lot of makeup. You'll get, I think you'll get products of the Ordinary, but I think at some point in time, Ordinary and Beautylish may have parted ways because of something. So you can buy from Beautylish, wherein they have included the customs fee into the price whenever you choose India as a location. So it takes the guesswork out, and you don't have to pay customs when the product actually reaches your doorstep. You can also look out for the Beautylicious sales that happen. Once in a while they have like a $200-300 off. For the amount of products that you buy, you get an equivalent amount of a gift card, which means that you can use that money to buy stuff again the next time. Another website that's lovely is stylekorean.com. They also ship to India. They have a vast selection of products, stuff that you will usually also not, even if you had to go to Seoul, Korea, like I did. I found that a lot of the skincare is very popular online. You don't buy, you really don't see it in store everywhere. Another website that I have bought from is sweetkoreana.com. I'm going to be listing that as well down below. And these are all the websites that I have bought from. Of course, there are local resellers that I have shared. I have also had giveaways with some of the local resellers here in India. And for that, those updates, I'm sure you'll find it on Instagram. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying goodbye.